Welcome to the Internet's newest income-producing program right here at Debit Card Profits. Introducing Levels. With this new program, everyone gets paid. This isn't chance that you found yourself here. This is destiny. In order to get on our payroll, you must first have a free ClickBank account. Go through step number 1 to get it now. Then make sure you put your ClickBank username in the form below. That's right down here. Right there. Okay? Now, I'm sure that you want to know how everything works here. Look at this chart right here. First, we pay everyone by money order, mailed to your physical address, made out in your name. Free members will make $25 for any upgraded members that has come to Debit Card Profits through their referral link. But as you can see, if you want to make more money for each referral, this will be totally up to you and your budget. Because as you can see here, on level 1, you just invest $88 in yourself, and for each person that follows you and invests $88, you receive a whopping $50 for them. If you want to make more money, invest $188, you make $120. All the way up to an investment of $5,000, and you will make $4,000 on each referral. We make that easy for you too. But this right here, $50, is a far cry from $4,000. I think you'll agree. But the levels are always optional. So the main thing you should do right now is go through step number 1, on this page right here that you're on right now. Go through step number 1, get your ClickBank account right here. And when they ask about your bank, just put down a bank closest to your home. That's all they really want there. Then in step number 2, you're going to get on our payroll with the form. You're going to come over, once you submit that form, to this page right here. And it'll look like this. And this has all of your upgraded forms here. And just to show you one of them, we click there. And for your convenience, you can pay with a credit or a debit card. It's got the numbers right there. So as you can see, the most important thing for you to do is follow steps 1, right there, 2, right here, the form, and then 3, if you decide that you want to upgrade your account to any of the levels available there, 10 levels. Okay? Thanks for visiting, and welcome aboard.